back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a moving vlog because as you read in the title of this video, I'm basically moving. And I filmed an intro like yesterday, but I didn't like it, so like I'm filming an intro right now, and I'm gonna show you guys the clips of what I gathered yesterday, which was basically nothing. I was supposed to start packing yesterday, and I did start a little bit, but then I gave up and I just started like watching movies and stuff. And then my friend texted me, and we went to get ice cream, and we went to downtown San Diego, and it was really cool. I actually enjoyed yesterday. Like it actually felt like summer for a little bit, except for everyone was wearing masks, as everyone should. So today is the day that I have to like actually finish packing because there was a change in plans. Originally I was gonna start moving on Friday because by Monday I need to have all of this cleaned, but guess what? The change in plans is that they're giving us the keys tomorrow afternoon. So basically, I'm barely gonna start packing and I'm supposed to move tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys basically the small purse I have. Here's my bed. I feel like I should start packing the books first, and then I'm gonna start like taking all of my blankets off my bed because I don't even use them anyways. The only one I use is that one right there. It's like my favorite, honestly. And I'm glad that my room is pretty much organized because I've been decluttering a lot in my room over this quarantine. But most of my drawers are organized, so I'm able to just take them like that when we're moving. I'm just worrying about this right now. I'll show you guys my progress in a few minutes, and I'll talk to you guys more about where I'm moving and stuff. Oh, you know what? I should take off the mandala and the LED lights because I don't know why, but I should do it. Now that my wall is basically naked, it's time for the LED. I'm gonna be buying new ones because the controller doesn't work anymore, so I need to buy new ones. Honestly guys, I'm so excited to move because I hate this place. Literally, it's so ugly. At the end, I'm gonna show you guys like a little room tour, or not room tour, house tour, or apartment tour, whatever. The lighting sucks, as you might be able to tell, and I don't know, just feel like for video purposes that's not cool. It's just so old. Like I don't know what made us decide to move here in the first place, because I think we were like really desperate for a place, honestly. Anyways, I feel like we really took for granted the other apartment that we used to live in because it was so cool. I really loved it. There was so much lighting, but we had to move. I miss my friends too, which we don't talk as much anymore, but we still keep in contact every once in a while. Like we wish each other happy birthday, like we're in cool terms, you know. So I love that because it's like when we actually talk, it's like we never stop talking, you know. It's obviously not gonna be my own apartment, but it honestly kind of feels like it because I'm going to college now, and like me moving out feels kind of like as if I was moving into a dorm, even though I'm not. This new apartment has 2 bathrooms, which I'm very excited for because it literally sucks having 1 bathroom in a 4-people family. I can't even imagine families bigger than mine having to share 1 bathroom. I don't know, I feel like guys are more messy. Like literally, I could clean the bathroom one day and then the next day it's already dirty because guys just don't know how to take care of things. So I'm excited to have my own bathroom because when I clean it, I know it was my fault that it was messy. I'm just rambling a lot and I'm not getting anything done. And I don't really know what I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna be putting my books in there, I think. I have a lot. I'll show you guys. I decluttered my books in my decluttering my closet video, but I still have a lot of them. Here is another batch of books. Here is the other one. This is my dresser. These books right here that I have on my dresser are for decoration, and I already read all of them except for this one, I think. And these are just like notebooks so that I can write in.
While you drinking, fade away. All my friends, they fade away. Don't worry, fade away. nothing for the same. All up in my head, that's how I behave. Passing up the same, waking up the same. All up in my head, that's just how I behave. How I behave.
Guys, I'm so tired and I'm barely starting. Like, this is all I've done. I just packed all of my clothes up, as you can see, and I also packed all of my books. Most of my things, I'm gonna be just carrying them because they're already pretty much organized. I need to take off my blankets, and I'm gonna change real quick because my dad wants me to go with him somewhere. I'll be right back. I just got home from running errands with my dad. I ate too, and I'm so fucking tired. Like, I literally want to go to sleep right now, so I probably might. And let me show you what my room looks like right now. Do y'all see that? Also, I wanted to edit this one video because I already edited like half of it. And I wanted to finish it so that I can post it tomorrow. But I packed my editing tools. So like my hard drive and stuff. So what the hell am I supposed to do now? Welcome to the crib. This is gonna be the new apartment. I wanted to do like a little tour because it's empty right now and we're gonna be moving in soon because they just gave us the keys, as you can see. This is gonna be the living room. It has the AC right there, and I really like the color because the living room and where we live currently is like yellow, like the walls are yellow, so I don't really like that. And this is my favorite part of the house, the fact that in the dining room we're gonna be having a window, which is gonna bring a lot of like light inside of the apartment, and that's gonna be really good. And then the kitchen is also really pretty, and it has a window, so it has a lot of light, and it looks more modern because it has white furniture, I guess you could say, like the cabinets and stuff, and it just everything matches. And it also comes with a microwave, which we didn't have in our last apartment. ¿Cómo se llama esta madre? The sink. The sink is really big, and my mom likes it because it's like deep and stuff. And this is what the cabinets look inside. Last time when we moved, not everything was new. I guess they just cleaned it and stuff, but it was just not really new, and everything just looks really good. I feel like we have a little bit less of storage than the last one, but it's gonna help us to like minimize everything that we get. And this is what the fridge looks like, new as well. Now we're gonna go and see my room and my bathroom. Okay, so first of all, here is my room. So as you can see, it's a very small space, but I actually really like it. I'm not sure if it's the same space as my other room, but it kind of looks like it, honestly. And it just has one window. Here is the closet, and I'm gonna be sharing it with my brother. I'm not sure where my bed's gonna go, but I'll show you guys now. That it has like cabinets right here for storage. It has them as well here. And here's the bathroom. This one is my parents' bathroom. I wanted to turn on the light, but it just makes a lot of noise, so let me just not do that. I have this mirror right here. You can open it to like put other things in there. It has a mirror, and this is the sink, I guess it's what it's called. And it just has storage right here. This is the bathroom, and here is the shower, which is whatever, honestly. And here is my parents' room. It's like the same as mine, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, it's a pretty small apartment, but we're really lucky to have rented it. Here is my bathroom right here. It's pretty much the same, honestly. It just doesn't have the doors yet, I guess. I'm not sure why. So we're testing the lighting right now. This is what the lighting in my room is gonna look like. I feel like it's pretty good, and what I like is that we are on the second floor, and like in this side of my room, there's not gonna be any other neighbors, so I can pretty much make noise and nobody's gonna hear me, especially because I record myself, so it's kind of embarrassing when like you are like thinking about it and like other people can hear you. I really like this apartment and I'm very excited to move in already. I'm not excited about having to move everything because it's gonna be very tiring. We are not even finished packing, which is crazy. I don't know if we're gonna be starting with the kitchen or the living room. We don't have much stuff for the living room because my brother sleeps in here. Might be starting to move some stuff from my room in. I think it will be really good for me to start already. Hope that you guys enjoyed my empty apartment tour. Wow, the lighting is so good, I can't get over it. The other apartment that we had, like I just hated it because the lighting was horrible. I thought there was not gonna be any noise here, but apparently there is kids, so whatever, I guess. But over there in the other apartments that we used to live, there was like a lot of noise because a lot of kids will just come like in front of my apartment. They would just come in our side of the apartment. They will make a lot of noise, and I just didn't like that because sometimes it will be annoying, you know. I'll be trying to study or record videos and there will be a lot of noise. Like a lot of people that have like seasonal depression, like you don't really like when there's not a lot of light entering into your apartment or house or whatever. I hated eating in the other apartment because I just didn't like how it was so dark. Mom's got me cleaning. No, Mexican mom things. And she won't let me play music. Like, how the fuck am I gonna finish this? Yo, the bathroom makes the ugliest noise ever. I hate it. Listen to this. The lighting ain't even that good. I wasn't recording. You wanna be in my vlog? Yo, come up. Stop! Okay guys, so I'm going on my first trip. As you can see, I put a lot of my things inside my car and I'm really so tired because I already did some stuff. I'm gonna put you guys right here. You're not gonna be able to see me. Let me show you that I'm moving so far away, like literally. Like I was saying, guys, I'm moving so far away. Like you guys wouldn't even imagine how far away I'm moving.
5 minutes later.
And we're here. Oh my god, you guys, I'm literally so tired. I'm not even like halfway done with my room yet. And I'm very proud of myself because I'm the only one that's moving like everything like from my room. I'm the only one that's like doing it. My parents are not helping me at all, so I'm very proud of myself because this is my second trip. And as you can see, it's like there's literally no more space anymore except for my seat. So I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna move all this stuff and I'll see you guys when I finish. Tu primera vez viendo el apartamento. You like it? You like it? He finally came here to help, to be useful for once. Oh my god, you can see the freaking sunset from here. The only reason why I like this apartment more than the other one that I used to live in is the lighting. Like, look at this. What do you think, pa? Y preguntan por qué no sé cómo expresar mis emociones. Cúlpenlo a él. You guys can barely see me, but I have an update. So now I'm moving stuff from the kitchen because they told me to stop moving my room because they want to finish the kitchen first. Okay guys, so I have an update on my room. I'm gonna show you guys my room right now. It's pretty much empty. Basically this is what my room looks like. I just left the furniture that's like heavy and my dad's gonna help me with that, but I think he's gonna help me tomorrow. Have to still empty out all of my closet. I know it literally looks like a freaking mess and it is, but I'm gonna try to like take all of this today, like right now. I'm just gonna leave the dresser and my bed here. I'm still gonna sleep here today. My goal was to sleep over there today. I am very tired, but I'm not gonna stop until I at least finish for the most part, because tomorrow I'm gonna have to do it too, because my brother and my dad are going to work and my mom too. So I'm gonna be the only one that's gonna be home. So I'm gonna be the only one that's gonna be carrying out all of this shit. And I still have like other things to pack too. Kitchen, there's still some stuff left, and I also have to start like organizing some stuff. So it's gonna be a hectic day tomorrow. I don't even know how long this video is. I'm probably gonna divide it in two. 10:43 right now, and honestly I'm like literally so tired. My arms hurt so bad, and I feel like I'm gonna wake up really sore tomorrow. But here is the outcome. I pretty much moved all of my room. I just have my bed and my dresser at my other room, and honestly I'm like literally so tired. I'm just gonna try to fix my closet a little bit, so that tomorrow I just have to move my bed, and then in another one of these vlogs I'm gonna be decorating my room. And honestly I'm literally so hungry too, and I don't know what to do. I was just laying down right here and I found a freaking, what was it, no, and I found it like a freaking tijerilla. I don't know what they're called in English, but I got scared. Anyways, I killed it, and I shouldn't have, honestly. I'm just gonna try to fix my closet real quick and go eat something, because it's not it. And actually, I'm gonna have to take this back with me because I literally have no blankets.
I need another double. She got an attitude. I call her pineapple. She's sweet with sour mood. I guess she's all I'm after.